Are we sitting comfortably? Good. Welcome, citizens of Autodale, to this PSA. Children, look around the room. Look at your father. He likes to read the newspaper and kick his feet up after a hard day's work. He provides for your family. Your father is pretty. And then, children, look at your mother. Isn't her cooking splendid? She also keeps the house clean and she reads you bedtime stories every night. Your mother is pretty. And now, children, look at yourselves. You're young, you laugh, you play. You may scrape your knees from time to time. You have friends. You and your friends get up to all sorts of playful mischief. One day, children, you will grow up to be just like one of your parents, and you will build a family of your own. One day, you will be pretty. Now finally, my pretties, look outside at your lovely neighbors. You're pretty. You're pretty. You're pretty. But alas, children, not everyone is pretty. Some are ugly. We don't want uglies, do we, children? You are ugly. You are ugly. You are ugly. We take the uglies away, so that you and your friends and your neighbors and your family can stay pretty. Remember that, children. And this concludes today's PSA, citizens of Autodale. And children, like your parents and their parents before them, always remember to stay pretty. There we go. Don't die on me, okay? Hello.